Once you've removed your Narc box from the drawer, you will then need to unlock the Narc box, and when you open it, you'll notice that there are some acorn nuts that are holding the hinge in place. You'll need a 3/8 socket and socket wrench. And you'll need to remove the acorn nut. Once you've removed the acorn nuts from the lid, if you lean the lid backwards, you can remove it from the hinge. Once you've removed the lid, you can then work on removing the acorn nuts from the back of the Narc box. Once you've removed the acorn nuts, you can remove the hinge from the Narc box.